Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to start a new informational writing. We're going to be reading our last Scholastic News for the month of April. I know it's May now, but you still have this one in your packet, hopefully. And you will be such experts at writing informational pieces that you'll be able to choose your own topic, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, and write your own. But today we are going to start again by doing our research, first of all. And you can do that by getting out your Scholastic News, the one titled The Volcano That Stopped Summer. So let's go over the vocabulary first because there's some tricky words in here. I'm sure you've heard them before, but let's go over them. So let's look at the vocabulary. The first word we're going to look at is the word volcano. And I know you guys have heard about a volcano before. So when you see this word, and notice that the word underneath is in parentheses and it shows you how to pronounce it. So it is pronounced volcano, and a volcano is an opening in the earth where gas, steam, ash, and hot liquid rock burst through. Let's look at the next word. Goes right along with that word, erupted. And we know that the ed on the end makes it in its past tense, so the base word is erupt. But you'll see this word in the passage, and it's when a volcano erupts, it shoots out rocks, hot ashes, and lava. Then our next word, still focusing on the word volcano, is the word lava. And lava is hot liquid rock that flows out of a volcano. And you will also see the word crops. You'll see a lot of crops growing around here now this time of year because a lot of farmers and a lot of people have planted gardens. And when they begin to grow, you will notice them in the garden. You can call those crops. Crops are plants that are grown in large amounts, usually for food. Corn is a crop. And I know you've seen a lot of those on your ride to school each day and just all around. Now, one more word that I want to show you is the word that the volcano that we're going to be focusing on in this passage. And this word is called Mount. So that's our first word, Mount. And this word right here is Tambra. It almost looks like it would be Tambra, but I looked it up and it tells me down here in the parentheses that it's pronounced Tambara. So you'll be reading about Mount Tambra, and that will be in our informational piece called The Volcano That Stopped Summer. So you'll read through your Scholastic News. Make sure you read the inside, look at your pictures, focus on the captions because remember the captions tell us more about the pictures. And this is not just about a volcano. It is about a volcano in the year of 1815, but it also talks about the effects of that volcano, what happened after that volcano erupted. So when you read through it, you're going to be focusing on the volcano, what happened after it erupted, and some of the effects. Some negative effects, but also a positive one over here. When you go through, read through it the first time, and you'll see your vocabulary words have been highlighted. So read through it. You can even look on the back of the news, and it shows you a map. So it will show you where this particular volcano happened, Mount Tambra, where it was, and this world map because it's been divided up here and you can see, and then answer some questions about that map. So read through it the first time, make sure you understand it, go through your vocabulary words, and then I want you to go back through this, and just like we did before, you can take a highlighter or a pencil and just circle the facts that you read throughout this informational piece, throughout this Scholastic News. Then after you've highlighted those, then you can stop. I'm going to make a second video, show you the facts that I highlighted, and then how we filled out our informational text brainstorming piece, our sheet that it was included with your Scholastic News. So read through it, get your facts. Remember, dates are really important too. So I would definitely encourage you to highlight or circle the date when all of this happened. Okay, so we'll come back with a second video in just a few minutes. So you go ahead and read through it and get your facts circled and or highlighted.